2019 Ford Expedition here. We're going to reset that oil life reminder. I'm going to be using this left-hand switch pack here to go through the digital cluster. So from the main screen, you can scroll left and right. We're going to want to go to little gears here all the way over. And you're going to go to Advanced Settings, Vehicle. Then we're going to scroll down until we find Oil Life Reset. Click OK, and then hold OK to reset. You can do this with the vehicle running or with the key just in the on position. And when you're done, you can scroll back to whatever your preferred display is.